Hi, I'm Lynn Stone, co-founder of Hunter Carson Design. Welcome to my home in Manhattan Beach. I share this place with my husband, my 4 kids, 1 dog, and a whole lot of surfboards. I can't wait to show you what's inside. Come on, let's check it out. When you get to the top of the stairs, the very first thing you notice is the bay windows. This is the view that sold me on buying the house. Who would have a white couch with 4 kids and a dog who refuses to believe that this is the family couch and thinks it's her dog bed? The trick is to cover your furniture in indoor-outdoor material, and if you can, get something that has a little bit of a texture to it. Just because it's outdoor doesn't mean that it's not soft and it's not comfortable. The beach chic is all about the materials that you use and also the neutral colors. So when I was designing this fireplace, that's exactly what I had in mind. The mantle, I used reclaimed wood to kind of give it more of an earthy vibe to it. Since natural elements are such a big part of this house, let me take you to the dining room. Once in the dining room, you'll notice the natural wood table. We got an extra long table, so we would always have room for friends and family. And this table is fantastic because it can take a beating. And if you look up, you will see one of my favorite pieces in the house. It almost looks like a sea creature. To me, that makes it look beach chic and a little edgy. The kitchen to me is really the heart of the home. It's where my family starts their day and also ends their day. So it's really important to me that it's a clean, welcoming space. The chandelier is the first thing that my husband and I bought once we actually owned a home. The chandelier isn't the only thing that shimmers, the backsplash does too. I used an Italian tile, both matte and shiny, and interspersed the tile so this just glitters a little bit. My favorite thing in the kitchen is the succulent wall, and it is so much nicer looking at those flowers than the back of your neighbor's house. Welcome to the cloud. I love the color white, as you can clearly see. It's very calming to me. If I'm laying on the bed, I'm sitting in the reading nook, I can see the ocean, I can hear the waves. It's hard not to feel relaxed. With all those waves, you've got to have a surfboard nearby. Let me show you my all-time favorite surfboard. Everyone in our house surfs, but this surfboard, it is incredible. Not only can you custom design it, I love the yellow, but it's the only surfboard that keeps the sand out of my house. Thanks for joining me for the tour. This was so much fun. I really love living here and I love designing this space for my family. I'll see you at the next property.
Did you like what you see? Hit the subscribe button. I'm not sure where it is, but hit it and follow us on Open House TV.